Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the 10K Runner, Couch to 10K app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. 10K Runner is a structured running training app designed to help complete beginners' progress from no running at all to completing a full 10K race. Built around gradual, interval-based workouts, the app combines walking and running sessions that slowly increase in intensity to build stamina safely. It's available on both iOS and Android and includes audio coaching and motivational cues throughout each session. The app's main feature is its step-by-step training program. You simply start the day's workout, follow the voice guidance, and complete each interval as instructed. It also tracks your progress, logs completed runs, and integrates with music so you can listen to your playlist while training. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its beginner-friendly structure, clear coaching instructions, and gradual progression that reduces the risk of burnout or injury. People following the plan consistently report improved endurance and confidence, with the app helping them stay motivated over multiple weeks. However, there are some drawbacks. The free version offers limited access, and unlocking the full multi-week program requires a paid upgrade. Some users also mention that the progression may feel slow for those who already have basic running experience. In addition, it relies on consistent scheduling. Missing too many days can make the program harder to follow. In summary, the 10K Runner app may be worth using if you want a simple, beginner-friendly training plan with guided audio cues and steady progress toward completing a 10K. However, if you prefer more advanced customization or already run regularly, you may find the structure too basic. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.